Hi, my name is Phyllis Thede. I am a representative in the Iowa House. My district is 93. My area covers parts of Bettendorf and Davenport. I have served 5 terms or 10 years. Our timetable for a session is 4 months, usually January through April. The committees I have served on are Appropriations, Ethics, where I am the ranking member, Local Government, Natural Resources, and Oversight. Many of the things I see that are important to Iowans are a good education, good jobs, and health care. Over the coming weeks, I want to engage you in conversation about issues that concern you. In order to do the job as a legislator, I believe it's important to hear from you. Every day, you are confronted with many situations in your life that can be challenging. My job in the legislature is to construct legislation that meets the needs of the issues facing you. Being a legislator serves as a vehicle for change and monitoring things that happen throughout the state. As we all work together to help bring about legislation that empowers our communities, we secure our future for our family, friends, and business partners. I want to thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.